Hey friends, welcome back to Scratch Skills. In today's video, we'll be learning how we can animate in Scratch. So, we'll be getting to the basicest part of animation, that is, how to start with animation in Scratch. Now, animation is a very common thing in Scratch, and many Scratchers do it, and they got pretty famous by doing it also. And I'll be really glad if this video is helpful for you. So if you find it helpful, do give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment for many more videos like this. Now, moving on with the video, first we need to understand what is animation in Scratch. Basically, animation in Scratch is just interacting with other sprites, backdrops, code. Like these stuff, all animation in Scratch is to interact. That's the other word for animation over here. So when we get into the basics of animation, we will first need a stage. Now stage comes in the word for animation. First, we want to create a proper backdrop. A nice one. A green grassed one, but make sure it's always perfect. Whatever you do for animation, it should be good enough. I'm gonna get some blue color for the sky, and that's gonna be my area. Next, I want something for the sprite to interact with. I'll simply go to the choose a sprite option and find something for the cat to interact with. I think the cat can interact with the monkey. The monkey looks good. We want to convert the monkey size about to the cat size. So then it'll be more clear that they can interact with each other. Now let's start with the code, coming to the main part. So first code we want to do is to make those sprites go to that position. So when the game starts, we want to make sure we have this code on both of these sprites. Okay. Now, next we want the sprite which will interact first to go to the sprite which is big to be interacted with. So in this case, the cat is going to interact with the monkey. So we can just use glide to monkey in 1 second. According to the distance you have given, you need to arrange the seconds. If you have given it pretty far away, you need to keep it 2 or more, like so. For me, it's only 1 second distance, so yeah. Now that's good, but when you're talking like this, it actually goes through the monkey. So we can understand that is not the one we want. Put it back in position and take the sprite and put it in a place that it should stay once it reaches the monkey. That's where I want to go, and simply add the glide 1 second to that area block. See? Pretty easy, right? Next, we will also need to make the player ask something. So say something. Because it's animation, we can just say hello for 2 seconds. And then soon enough, we will be wanting to broadcast message 1. I'm just going to keep the default for now. Then let's go to the monkey, and right when I receive message 1, I'm going to say hello too. Now, that's the very simple animation we have got today. Make many more scripts like this, keep duplicating it, and you will get pretty much a very nice thing. I'll show you one more dialogue. We can just type, what's your name? So, what is your name? And then we can broadcast another message for the cat to answer. So we can just name this message 2 And then we can go to the cat, and when I receive message 2, then I will say my name is cat. Name is cat. So let's see how this works out. Great! It worked out as we expected. Add more dialogues and get the perfectest animation ever. Use more interactive sprites. Use it by changing costumes for these sprites and many more stuff. So if you like today's video about how to start with animation, do give it a like. That's thumbs up, subscribe, and comment for more videos like this. If you want to know more about animating, do comment down what you want to learn. So that's it for today, guys. See you in another video. Bye!